We made it, and we succeeded, and I think it's a memory that the kids will have for a very long time. So in the past, I've always done just a scenes program where I took scenes from different musicals or Reader's Theater. This year, I thought it would be fun that all of the classes did scenes from the same musical. So I decided that we would do Willy Wonka. And in talking with our new art teacher, Mr. Rose, I was talking to him about how he could contribute. He's helping build the set, he's helping with lots of props and things like that. And so he's also involving the art students.
I have a couple classes that are like 3D design, and we're doing stuff that we can apply to the program. My 3D classes are doing a little bit. My graphic design is making posters, and then in here for the art club, we're trying to just put everything together. Get the set design, and then anything else that needs to get done.
We're working on like posters to like put on the play and things like the walls. I want to see like the costumes of people that are wearing and like how people act in it.
I really like acting. It's Miss Whitney and how she puts it in a really fun way. We get to hang out with our friends in our groups, and we get to memorize and laugh because my scene's very funny because of some things the teacher says.
I have about 110 students, and every student has a part. So, with preparation, I had to really, plan out everything and try to make sure everybody had something, and that it kind of all tied together. So that was a lot of planning. A lot of them, this is their first time on stage, so they don't really know all of those things about, don't turn your back on the audience, and even just working on projection and vocal inflection is a big learning experience for them.
I like acting because it's kind of like you can know what you're gonna do, and you can perform that and show other people that you can do that.
I think it was a success. There were a lot of smiles.